Hello and welcome to Quick Tips with Blitz, the series where I give you a tip and hopefully it can save you a lot of time. Today we're talking about Lego City. So if you've ever tried removing tiles off a base plate for your sidewalks, you'll know it's not the easiest thing. The reason you might be doing this is maybe you want to add like jumpers to add to the minifigures in your city, maybe like a bench or like traffic lights, stuff like that. So there are 3 ways I thought maybe you might already be doing. First of all, you might be using your hands, and I honestly don't know why you would do that, because I tried that and oh my, it doesn't work. And secondly, you could be using the 2x2 brick separator. It does work pretty well, but not as good as the one I'm gonna show you. And then finally is one like, why would you do this? Literally bend the plate. Why? Why would you ever? Why? Please do not do this. It's just not good for your health. The way I am about to show you is literally like 5 times better than all those ways combined. It's just so good. Basically, you just use the new brick separator right here. This thing is so good, and you might be wondering, hey, I don't have one of these. Well, it's pretty cheap if you know where to get it. So first of all, it does come in the Lego art sets, you know, it comes in all those like Iron Man, Mickey Mouse, like the Siths and all those guys, but you can also get it on Bricks and Pieces for a fair price. It's like $5 Canadian, so honestly, it's just really good. Just comparing these two things, it's indescribable of how good this thing is. It's just so good at removing plates off roads, or even not even just roads. You can use this on anything that has tiles. It's just so good. So I would really recommend getting one of these, even though you might not have one already. So I hope that helps you with your Lego City or building mocks, anything like that. If it did, leave a like on the video. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye and have a good